What is up, guys? Welcome to this is actually going to be our final break of the day. We did have another break at 7 tonight. It was supposed to be opening day baseball, but that got pushed back, so we had to cancel that. Or else we'd have had some baseball tonight. We do have 2 open teams. Yes, Matthew R., we do have some open teams in this Prizm break. We have the usual suspects. We have the Carolina Panthers and the Seattle Seahawks in the Prizm break. Carolina Panthers. Actually, hold on a second. I'm looking at the wrong sheet here. I take that back. Seattle is not available. I have the Houston Texans and the Carolina Panthers. Houston Texans and Carolina Panthers. We're going to do something simple. We're going to do Houston for 8, Carolina for 8, or both for 15. Houston for 8, Carolina for 8, or both for 15. Alright, while you guys decide if anybody wants those, I will go ahead and show the owner's list and start getting the packs out. Here's our owner's list. This is our 2020 Prizm Football Cello Packs 1 box break number 28. Here's our owner's list. Find your name there on the right and see what teams you have. And as you can see there on the bottom, we have the Texans and the Panthers available. Both teams are for $8, or you can have both for $15. Hey, did you package up Matthew Riley yet? You haven't? No. Okay. Don't package his up yet, because he's going to take the last 2 teams in Prizm. Yeah, Matthew, we can do that. We haven't packaged yours up yet. I'm sorry, Melissa. Matthew just claimed them right before you. I apologize for that. But yeah, Matthew, I'll mark you down for those 2 teams. The shipping is already included in the price, so the shipping is not going to cost you anything else. The $8 we have, the prices are already with the shipping, so you don't have to worry about the shipping costs with those prices because it was already taken off since you're already in the break. So I'll give you our PayPal. Melissa, I do appreciate you wanting to take them, though. That helps us out. All right there, Matthew. There's our PayPal. So just go ahead and send the 15 friends and family, and we'll be good to go. We got your package off to the side for the other breaks. We're just going to include these cards that you get with that one. So we do appreciate it. I will mark you down on both sheets for the Texans and Panthers. Alright, and now this is our sealed box of Panini Prizm football cello packs. We'll have a pack of regular Prizm football, and then we'll have a pack of red, white, and blue. We will save the red, white, and blues for last. Matthew, let me know if you have any problems with the PayPal. We've had a couple people say they were having issues earlier, but I think it's fixed now. So let me know if you have any problems. Let's pull Raven. Okay. Pull some Ravens for you. Oh, just so you guys know, before I forget, we do have an up and coming website that we're working on. It's actually active right now. You will be able to buy into our breaks directly from the website. So instead of bidding on a team on eBay, if you want to just buy the team outright, you can buy the team from our website. And the cool thing about the website is if you buy a break through our website, you're going to get free shipping. All you got to do to sign up is put your name and your email, and you're subscribed. And the cool thing about that is you'll also receive discounts and rewards when you buy and you go directly through the website. So I will put that in the chat here if you guys want to check that out. It only takes a second to sign up and subscribe. Like I said, you just got to put your name and your email, and you'll get discounts and rewards, and you'll get free shipping on any breaks that you buy into directly from the site. Definitely worth checking out. Actually, there are some Prizm football breaks up right now, I believe. You can check out some of the Prizm breaks we have up. Buy directly into the Prizm breaks from the website. You'll get free shipping. Then you won't have to bid on any teams that you want. Thank you, Philip. Yeah, it is our first. We're just trying it out. We're trying to work on some things and get it going. We're trying to get our stuff from the store in there. Appreciate that, Philip. Yeah, you guys can buy into the breaks that you see on eBay right from the website. So, say if you want to try to get the Packers and you don't want to try to win them in a bid, if you want to just buy the Packers outright, you can go to the website, check out the break that you want to get in, buy the Packers, you'll get free shipping, and you'll be good to go. Simple as that. So if you got a few seconds, you want to check out the website, just click on that link, and then when you go there, you just put your name and your email, and you're in. That's all you got to do. Alright guys, that's our box opened up. Good luck guys, here we go. Looks like our silver is in the beginning here. We're going to hit it early, so good luck to everybody. Silver Prizm is For the Detroit Lions, we've got a Kerryon Johnson silver prism for the Lions. That's going to Stephen C. Kerryon Johnson silver. Then we got a Michael Pittman Jr. emergent rookie for the Colts. Here's a nice one, a C.D. Lamb. Nice C.D. Lamb base rookie for the Cowboys. C.D. Lamb, I like him. Cowboys going out to KCS. Nice hit, Casey. C.D. Lamb, base rookie. Not bad at all. Appreciate you signing up, Philip. We got a green prism, Saquon Barkley for the Giants. Fireworks insert for the Cowboys, Jalen Smith. Firework inserts look very nice. Jake Fromm rookie for the Bills here. Not bad at all. Mike Gesicki. We got a green prism of Demario Davis for the Saints. Fireworks insert Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. And then we have an Isaiah Coulter for the Texans. Nice rookie for the Texans there. Darius Leonard, green prism for the Colts. Colts have a couple nice ones already. Here's another one for the Jags. Laviska Shenault Jr. rookie. Emergent insert rookie for the Jags. It's a nice one. Lyndon B. Ooh, here's a nice one too. For Washington. Chase Young. Chase Young base rookie for Washington. It's a very nice card. Paul V. Chase Young base rookie for Paul. We have a green rookie coming up here for the Browns, Grant Delpit. Grant Delpit, green prism rookie for the Browns. Fireworks insert, Aaron Donald. Noah IG. For the Detroit Lions, we have a Danny Amendola green prism for Detroit. Brilliance insert, Deebo Samuel for the 49ers. Jeremy Chin for the Panthers. Matthew Riley picking up the Panthers and Texans. He's already got a rookie of each. Not bad so far. Aaron Rodgers, Brilliance green for the Packers. Cooper Kupp hype insert, Kyle Duggar for the Patriots. Aaron Jones, green prism for the Packers. Brilliance insert, Devontae Parker for the Dolphins. Here's a rookie for the Chargers, Joshua Kelley. We got a green prism of Anthony McFarland Jr. That's a rookie. We'll sleeve that one up for Pittsburgh. That's going to Lynn C. Nice card here, Lynn. Anthony McFarland Jr. green prism rookie. Jarvis Landry, Brilliance insert. Zach Moss, rookie for the Bills. We got a green Quinnen Williams for the Jets. Aaron Donald, unstoppable insert. Colin Johnson.
Ben, your favorite couple just left.
Fireworks insert. Alvin Kamara, green Prizm for the Saints. Matthew, you are very welcome. I'm glad you got it, man. J.K. Dobbins, emergent insert rookie for the Ravens. Ryan Tannehill, green for the Tennessee Titans. Fireworks, Christian McCaffrey, another insert for the Panthers. Matthew Arley, nice pickup. And Patrick Queen. Red, white, and blue time, guys. We'll do one at a time. Good luck. Oh, here's a really cool one right off the bat. Warren Moon. That's for the Houston Oilers. That's going to go to the Tennessee Titans. Warren Moon. That's a cool one. Mario Davis. And our rookie, Logan Wilson for the Bengals. Logan Wilson. Stephon Diggs for Buffalo. Aaron Jones. And our rookie, Jeremy Chin, again for the Panthers. Matthew Riley made a good decision picking those teams up. A lot of cards. Mark Brunell. Landon Collins. And our rookie, Kyle Duggar for the Patriots. I know it is. I know it was. I saw the Bengals and I'm like, oh, here we go. And then it was like, nope, Logan Wilson. Never mind. Sean Lee. Chris Godwin. And rookie, another one for the Titans. Christian Fulton. Troy Polamalu. Preston Smith. And Denzel Mims for the Jets. Danny R. John Brown. Damian Williams. And our rookie for the Patriots, Anthony Jennings. Dallas Goedert. DJ Moore. And our rookie for the Patriots again, Devin Asiasi. Patriots having a good one too. All right, come on. No more combine rookies. Jack Doyle. Ooh, nice. Jerry Rice. That's a cool one for the 49ers. Hugh C. And our rookie for the Chargers, Kenneth Murray. So we had a Chargers red, white, and blue rookie and a Bengals red, white, and blue rookie. And they were both the wrong ones. Talk about the ultimate tease. That is not nice. Jonathan Ogden. Justin Simmons, and our rookie, C.J. Henderson for the Jags. Hunter Henry, Ian Thomas, and our rookie for the Chargers, Joshua Kelley. Joshua Kelley. Two packs left, guys, then we'll do a recap. Good luck. Jarvis Landry, Chris Carson, and our rookie. Ooh, it's a nice one. Chase Young, Washington football team. Chase Young, red, white, and blue. That's going out to Paul V. Very nice card here. Chase Young. All right, last one, guys. Good luck. Kyle Van Noy, Danny Amendola, and our last rookie and card of the break, another Miami. Here's another one, Miami Dolphins, but the wrong one. That's 3. All right, guys, we're going to do a recap now. For Washington, we have the Chase Young, red, white, and blue, Washington football team, Paul V. We got the Anthony McFarland Jr. green Prizm for the Steelers. That's going to go to Lynn C. Then we have another Chase Young. This is the base. So we have the Chase Young red, white, and blue. And now we have the Chase Young base for Washington. That's going to be for Paul V. And then we had our C.D. Lamb. C.D. Lamb base for the Cowboys. That's KCS. I know, Matthew, I know. I hate when they do it. I hate when they do it. Miami, I saw the Miami logo, I saw the Bengals logo, and I saw the Chargers logo. And every time it was one of the Combine ones. I hate when they do it. But yeah, make sure you guys check out the website. All you got to do to subscribe is put your name and your email, and you're good to go. You'll get the discounts, you'll get the rewards, and if you buy into a break through the website, you're going to get free shipping as well. So be sure to check those out, guys. That's actually going to do it for us today. That's our last break of the day. So we're going to be off the rest of the day. We're going to have a live rip and ship going on later today. So if you guys want to check out some of that stuff, we'll have some boxes and some packs available. So if you guys want to check that out, I should be live in about a half hour or so here. So until then, guys, if I don't talk to you or see you, have a great rest of your day, great rest of your weekend. Be safe. We'll talk to you later.